Accidents, fraud, and surprise moments happen fast. Your camera must react faster. In this video to the best dash cams, we'll translate specs into plain English, sensor size versus resolution, high dynamic range for night detail, and how wide-angle lenses affect plate capture. You'll learn the trade-offs between single, dual, and 3-channel systems, plus parking surveillance modes, GPS stamping, and capacitor power for heat. We'll also cover storage endurance, app connectivity, and installation tips so you buy once and record confidently every day. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. Garmin Mini 2, our find for best budget dash cam. If you want a discreet dash cam that just works, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 blends into your cabin and keeps recording without demanding attention. Its compact body tucks neatly behind your rearview mirror, adding zero clutter while staying ready to capture what matters. You get clear, reliable video, Full HD 1080p at 30 frames per second with high dynamic range preserves detail in tough lighting, glare, shadows, dawn, and dusk, so license plates and road signs stay readable when you need them most. Installation is straightforward. The low-profile mount keeps the footprint small, and the ball and socket joint lets you fine-tune the angle in seconds. You won't be distracted by a screen. Instead, simple shortcut buttons let you save an important clip or mute the microphone with a quick tap. For everything else, the Garmin Drive app puts control on your phone, adjust settings, review footage, and organize clips without digging through menus or pulling out a laptop. This is a minimalist tool by design. It skips built-in GPS to prioritize size and simplicity, making it a strong fit if you want dependable footage and an uncluttered windshield. Power it up, set your angle, and drive. Your trips, commutes, and unexpected moments are recorded with clarity while you keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the wheel. Number 4. Rove R2-4K Pro, our find for best dash cam for 4K video. If you want a dash cam that upgrades your drives without complicating them, the Rove R2-4K Pro delivers sharp 4K video and a setup you can finish in minutes. Pop in a micro SD card, mount it, power up, and you're recording. No learning curve or fiddly menus. You get clarity where it counts. 4K resolution captures license plates, road signs, and the scenery of your route, giving you useful detail for everyday commutes and long trips alike. The interface skips the touchscreen in favor of straightforward buttons and a clear menu system, so you can change settings quickly and keep your focus on the road. Staying connected is easy. Dual-band Wi-Fi and built-in GPS let you transfer clips to your phone, add location and speed data, and share highlights or submit evidence when needed. The companion app makes reviewing, downloading, and managing footage simple, handy for insurance claims or just reliving a great drive. At only 2.4 inches, the R2-4K Pro keeps a small footprint on your windshield, leaving room for your navigation and other essentials while staying discreet. If you prioritize reliable recording, clean video, and controls that get out of your way, this compact, affordable cam is a strong fit. Ready to document the chaos and charm of daily travel so you can drive with confidence. Still searching for the perfect dash cam? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Wolfbox G840S, our find for best Rearview-Mirror style dash cam. If you want a mirror-style dashcam that expands visibility and stays out of your way, the Wolfbox G840S gives you a cleaner view and clearer evidence. It mounts over your existing mirror and replaces glare with a crisp 12-inch touchscreen, about 1.5 times the viewing area of a standard mirror, to help shrink blind spots when you're driving or reversing. Up front, you record in 4K Ultra HD and pair it with a 1080p rear camera for full-time coverage. A 170-degree front lens and 140-degree rear lens widen what you can see, and the smart split screen lets you monitor both views at once. Reverse Assist overlays parking guidelines to make tight spaces easier, while the 2.5D curved screen blends cleanly into your interior. Clarity holds up in tough lighting. The upgraded low reflectivity LCD reduces daytime reflections, and wide dynamic range and high dynamic range balance, bright highlights and deep shadows at night. A professional-grade sensor and 6-glass lens help keep plates and scene details readable in rain, dusk, and oncoming headlights. Core protections run automatically. G-sensor event locking, loop recording, parking monitor, a built-in speaker for alerts, and a quick mute function. powered via USB, and finished in black with a rearview mirror mount, the G840S brings wider vision, better footage, and easier sharing, so you drive with more confidence every day. Number 2, Vantrue N2 Pro are fine for best dashcam for rideshare drivers. If you want a dependable dual-camera dashcam that stays out of your way, the Vantrue N2 Pro records both the road and the cabin in clear 1080p while keeping your windshield uncluttered. The compact body won't block your view, so you can stay focused on driving. You get the core protections that matter. A built-in G-sensor can detect an impact and lock the clip almost instantly. And parking mode wakes the camera when it senses motion or vibration near your vehicle, useful for street parking, overnight stays, or rideshare downtime. Loop recording keeps new footage rolling without manual cleanup. Operation is straightforward. While the physical buttons are on the smaller side and there's no advanced driver assist suite, the menus are intuitive and quick to navigate. You can angle the inward camera to capture the cabin from your preferred perspective, handy for rideshare documentation or checking in on a teen driver. Time-lapse mode condenses long drives into highlight reels, letting you review or share a day on the road in minutes. If you value reliable dual-channel coverage, responsive safety features, and a compact design at a sensible price, the N2 Pro fits well. You get the clarity and confidence to document every mile without paying for extras you don't need, so you can put more of your budget toward the parts of the trip you enjoy most. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1, Vantrue N4 are fine for best dashcam overall. If you want a dashcam that quietly has your back on every drive, the Vantrue N4 delivers full coverage recording without fuss. Its 3-camera system watches the road ahead, the cabin, and what's behind you, so you're protected from more angles when something unexpected happens. Up front, you get crisp 2560 by 2160 resolution for detailed plates and road signs. Running all 3 cameras still keeps quality high. The front records at 2560 by 1440, while the cabin and rear capture at 1920 by 1080. That balance of clarity and coverage means daily commutes, road trips, and school runs are all documented with useful detail. You'll appreciate reliable performance after dark. The cabin camera uses infrared illumination to maintain clear footage in low light, handy for late-night drives, ride shares, or dim parking garages. For added peace of mind, collision and motion detection helps safeguard your car when you're on the road or briefly away. The system can capture events as they occur, giving you critical context if there's a bump or activity around the vehicle. Storage is straightforward. With a 128GB micro SD card, you can record continuously for up to 6.7 hours before older clips are overwritten, so your latest drives are always prioritized. If you value clear video, comprehensive coverage, and dependable features that support you, not distract you, the N4 is a strong fit for daily drivers, road trippers, and anyone who wants evidence when it matters. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which dash cam you're going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.